My name is Amy Ward. I'm the controller at Blue River PetCare, and as the controller I oversee all things kind of finance and accounting.
My name is Michelle Canen, and I'm a senior accountant at Blue River PetCare, and I am heavily involved in the day-to-day activities under accounting and finance, as well as help to manage the staff accountants and accounts payable.
Our business, we consolidate veterinary hospitals, so we find veterinary owners who are looking to maybe retire or step back from the business and focus on just the practice of medicine, and we buy these clinics and then we take over the HR, operations, accounting for them, and a big part of that is the month-end close process. Intacct is our accounting system, and then we utilize FloQast for the month-end close process. So before we had FloQast, we had a sheet of paper that listed all of our entities, and to give you kind of a background, when I started with the company we had 17 locations, and now we're up to 80. We closed one today, so 82 today. We were sending review comments through emails and just kind of a lot of, hey, where are we at with the close? 10 out of 21 clinics. So every year as we added 20 more clinics, I kind of knew this couldn't go on forever. And so there's 82 different books to be closed along with the corporate location. I think I heard about FloQast at the Intacct conference, and I brought it back to the CFO, and I actually might have been a senior accountant at the time. I was kind of the main person doing month-end close, so I was like, this is important, we have to do this. I'm not going to be able to continue the way we're doing it now. And so that was maybe at 40 clinics. I was very hesitant after doing an ERP implementation that, you know, you're like, that was months of our life. They say it's going to be easy, and it takes a long time. This really isn't that. The most time-consuming part is thinking through how do we want FloQast to look as an organization, and then the quick part was the setup. I think it was in a week probably, and then we were using it that next month. So we might have done it in October, and we used it for the November close.
When I came over to Blue River, it was the first time I had ever closed a clinic or a month end, and so it was very different. I actually started the first month that they implemented FloQast, but to be able to see that first month go as smoothly as it did, I think as the first month with a new program was really great.
For us, the review comments is the biggest feature that we love. I looked last month, we had 200 review comments.
Comments are a huge feature that we utilize, and probably our favorite. It really helps to be able to say what's needed. And when I have 20 month ends I'm trying to close, and there's an issue on one that I might have closed yesterday, it's really nice to still have those comments in an easy, accessible place that I can go back to after I finish closing, let's say, all 20.
So, I mean, we live in those comments, and nothing's done until the review comments are done. Just because it's closed, I say, okay, the close is done when the review comments are all resolved. So
I would absolutely recommend FloQast to other companies. It's super easy to use. It keeps you organized, and it keeps you all of your comments in one place, so that if you ever have issues, you can go back.
FloQast has made month-end kind of something that I take as it comes. Okay, these clinics are ready, review them, and then I can kind of put the close to the side and focus on other things, whether that's, cash management, working on our treasury, or just doing a deeper dive into what our fluxes are, which I'm excited for flex analysis. But actually doing more than just closing the books, and then analyzing, working back and forth with operations on how we can take what we're seeing from a financial perspective and making change. I'm Amy with Blue River PetCare.
I'm Michelle from Blue River PetCare, and I own my clothes.
And I own my clothes with FloQast.